Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps crashing on the application of Netflix. You will click on settings. You will go here to settings like this. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Netflix and you will click here in this page. We go to this page of Netflix. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem.